If you love bright and glowing skin and vitamin C products that do not irritate your skin, you are going to love this deal that I just found. I have it linked in the description of this video. This is not sponsored. I just found this deal on my own, so I'm on here really quick to share it with you. I actually have all these products that are in this little kit and the extra product for free, but I went ahead and bought the kit and got the deal anyways because I have the perfect person to give it to this holiday season, so I have that on its way. Now, this is the most awesome skincare deal that I have seen in a really long time, so here is my quick impromptu video so that you don't miss this deal too. It's actually 2 deals in 1, which is what makes this awesome. So let me tell you about both parts right now, but first, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So here is the first part. Stay tuned. In just a minute, I'm going to tell you about the second part. So on the Paula's Choice website, you know Paula's Choice. It's one of the greatest skincare brands of all time, albeit somewhat pricey, so that's why I love to shop it like it is now on a deal. They have right now a 3-piece kit on sale for 25% off, and all 3 products in the kit are actually products that I would totally use and recommend. And this is rare for these kits because usually I don't really get that excited about them because it's usually like 1 or 2 products in the kit that I would actually use and buy, and then the other products I would not go out of my way to buy, so I feel like it doesn't actually save me money. But this kit is so good, I had to share it. It is called the Brighten and Glow Kit. The first product is my favorite product lately, and it's a vitamin C moisturizer. So this particular one has 5% stabilized vitamin C in it that is going to brighten your skin so it doesn't look dull or lackluster. I use this in the morning because this can also prevent that free radical damage from the sun. So pair this with an SPF for maximum anti-aging and protection. And this one also has hexapeptide 5 in it. It has lipids and polyglutamic acid, and all of that together is going to strengthen your moisture barrier. So it's very effective at hydrating the skin, but still being lightweight enough so it's good to use in the morning time. This product alone is $45, but not in this kit. You can definitely get it for a savings. The second product is the sister to this for your eye area. This is the C5 Super Boost Eye Cream. This also has 5% stabilized vitamin C, but it has some extra little added ingredients in it to correct the puffiness and dark circles under the eyes. This alone is $39. And if you are someone that does not wear a lot of cover-up makeup, then this can be a great option to help reduce the look of tired eyes, since you won't then be covering it with concealer and foundation and all of that. You can just use a product like this. So that is how I would use this one. And the last product in the kit, maybe the best one, is the actual vitamin C serum, the C15 Super Booster, which is a holy grail from Paula's Choice because it is a stable form of vitamin C, L-ascorbic acid, and it has vitamin E and ferulic acid in it as well. If that sounds familiar, maybe like the SkinCeuticals one, but this is for a fraction of the price, and it's a great product. This ingredient, vitamin C, I like to use in the morning skincare routine to help build new collagen, to help lighten dark spots and fade hyperpigmentation, and just brighten and tone the skin. And it's an antioxidant, so that again, you are fighting free radical damage on the face from UV light. This alone is $55, but it is a major deal in this kit. So with this Brighten and Glow kit, you are getting vitamin C and brightening the skin from all angles. So with this kit, it is on sale right now for just $115 for all 3 of these full-size products, marked down from $154. And again, it's for all 3 products that I would actually use and recommend. So it is a great deal. But this is the tipping point that caused me to put everything down and make this quick video for you. Part 2 of this deal is so good. With the code PORES, P-O-R-E-S, you get a free full-size 20% niacinamide serum worth $54, all for free. Just use that code when you are checking out. I believe this is only valid, this free product with that code, until tomorrow at midnight. So get this ASAP before it goes away. So when you buy the Holiday Brighten and Glow Kit, or you spend $100 on just any products on the site, you can use the code PORES and get this free serum. This is going to be ideal for someone with larger or congested pores or oily skin. 20% niacinamide is going to do a really good job improving this texture. This one is a little bit thicker in texture compared to the 10% one, which I have used in the past. Now, niacinamide gets a lot of attention because it has so many benefits, from improving acne to fading dark spots. This one also has licorice root extract in it, so that's going to help fade dark spots as well, to smoothing skin texture and just brightening the skin. Now, this could be something that you do at night when you take a night off from your retinoid or retinol product, for example, if you have one of those in your routine. So you would do the vitamin C products in the morning and this niacinamide product at night. Now, these deals are linked in the description. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I will be hopping on here, impromptu videos, just sharing the awesome deals I find all holiday season. And as always, my usual educational content on Fridays at noon on my channel, along with my live chat during these video premieres. So come say hi and get your questions answered in real time. Make sure you turn on the notifications because I'm going to be dropping videos just randomly when I see sales. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Happy shopping. Bye.